Hi everyone! Databricks and Tableau recently expanded their partnership and introduced the new Delta Sharing Tableau connector. In this demo, I'll review how organizations can easily share live data with their external partners and consume it directly in Tableau to facilitate real-time data-driven decision-making. So here I am in the Tableau desktop. At this point, I've already installed the Delta Sharing connector into Tableau from the Tableau Exchange. The first thing you need to do is to set up the connector so that you can share. There are two ways to do this. The easiest is to upload a credential or a JSON file into Tableau, which pre-populates the endpoint URL and the bearer token so you don't have to manually input it yourself. Using an open connector is how Databricks does Databricks to Open or D2O sharing with non-Databricks customers. Now with this open connector, you can seamlessly connect to the Delta Share and view shared tables and views. Here we show you a catalog view where you can see the metadata, schema, and select the tables you want to load into Tableau. You can also apply a query to the data, and so you can specify a SQL filter if you would like. Finally, the third part of the process is to get this live data from the provider loaded directly into Tableau Desktop to create your own Tableau dashboard tables. Here you see an example of a simple table. So we'll go ahead and we'll take a couple fields and we're pulling in company name and country and website. This is showing you how the data is populating in Tableau using the connector. Now your data analysts can easily use the shared data to create visualizations and analytics work in their preferred tool.